Hi, Masayo.
Hey, welcome to Masayo's Messy Kitchen. So I'm gonna make a spicy tuna,
Oh, yum.
spicy tuna bowl, and I wanna make two kind of spicy tuna. And so we have a sashimi quality of tuna, which is too much for this meal. So you can get the chunk. It cannot be a sashimi part. You know, that's a little cheaper, but still it's set for sashimi, and it's like a raw eat, for a raw eat. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, and already chunk. Don't worry, I washed this cutting board. So as you like, you can add green onion, and just cutting, not smooth, but kind of smooth chunk.
Okay. So you're saying it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just,
Yeah.
you just give it a rough chop.
Yeah, rough chop. Nobody has to be a perfect, okay? Because we are already perfect. We can mix,
Okay.
right? And I told you I'm gonna make two kinds, so I'm gonna divide into the two bowls. So half of them in this bowl, the other one here. Let me wash my hand because I'm a clean person.
Don't make me laugh. The camera moves all over the place as it is. I'm already checking.
First one, we need this.
Okay.
Show you just a regular soy sauce
Okay.
and maybe 1 tablespoon, and rayu as you like.
And Ryu's spicy, right?
Yeah, rayu is a spicy chili oil. Just mix. And also, you know what? You can add Japanese shichimi. Shichimi, it's a kind of powder, chili powder, Japanese chili powder.
Oh. Okay.
But,
So it's really to taste. It's like what?
to taste, and you might wanna add little sesame oil, just a little sesame oil.
Okay.
1 teaspoon. So soy sauce, chili oil, and sesame oil. And if you wanna add more, another chili. And the
Okay.
second one,
Okay.
the mayo taste. So maybe 1.5 tablespoon, and any kind of the kind of sriracha or sambal or tapatio. This time, sambal. This is really spicy,
Nice.
right? This must be super spicy. Two kinds.
Okay.
Do you like green onion?
I do. I love green
Yeah,
onion.
so I want to put the green onion.
Ah, you always make me nervous when you look at Pepe and you're chopping and you have that knife.
I really like chunkiness or like kind of crunchiness inside.
Yeah,
Like, cause yeah, spicy tuna is just like a smooth, meaty, right? So I need some accent. So then I wanna put half and half.
Oh, there you go. Just to add a little texture.
Yes, texture. Half. They're like beautiful, right?
Yeah. We're at doing the mayo to the spicy tuna. Does it matter the hot sauce that you add if it has a lot of vinegar or not?
Doesn't matter. You know
Okay.
what? Mayo has a vinegar.
Oh.
Especially Kewpie mayo from
Uh-huh.
Japanese mayo.
Yeah.
That was a lot of vinegar. Some people like, oh, I wanna do the kind of Japanese mayo taste like, and they add a little bit vinegar in the American mayo. And it tastes like a Japanese mayo. So, it's already vinegar in it, so it doesn't matter, right?
Oh, thank
And
you. Oh, I like how you're mixing it up now.
Yeah.
Now you're putting the tapatio in there. It's like no rules. I love this.
No rules, just taste it.
Yeah.
Yay! Yay!
Yay!
And we serve rice. Put some greens on the side. on the side, just for the color.
Okay.
We can squeeze in. Excuse me, can I squeeze in? Kind of like this. I think it's a little too hot, maybe too hot for the raw fish, so I'm gonna.
Let it cool off. There we go.
Honey-chan! We can eat almost. And it's gonna take like 5 minutes. He's coming.
So Masayo, you were saying that you could do sushi rice, but you don't need to, right?
You don't
Because
need
the spicy tuna is so flavorful.
Yeah, yes. It's like chocolate on donuts.
Got it.
Yeah, instead of the chocolate on bagel. I put the chocolate on bagel. Ta-da! And ta-da! And ta-da! I changed the key.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yep.
You know what's amazing to me, Masayo, is that you made this all so quickly, and I love the presentation in the bowls. It's all simple, not a lot of ingredients.
I know, right? The red one. This is a sesame oil, chili oil, and soy version.
Right.
And the other one is mayo and sriracha or tapatio.
Tapatio, yeah.
Tapatio. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous
Oh.
lunch.
That just looks beautiful. I'm gonna come in a little bit.
Right?
Oh, look at that.
I know. Here you are. And let's eat.
Let's eat.
Yay,
Thank you.
Spicy tuna, 2 kinds.